Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, Service Tech for Advanblack. Today I've got another easy part for you to install. We're going to go over today. Now this part's going to be for the 23.5 and newer Road Glide Touring model. Today we're going to be installing the brand new CFR carbon fiber windshield. As you can see, this is a true carbon fiber windshield. It does have an anti-scratch layer over the top of the carbon fiber with a nice glossy shine on it. It's going to be a direct replacement for your OEM windshield. Now today on this bike back here, I already have an aftermarket windshield on it with some aftermarket hardware. We're going to get that removed. We'll slide this into place. So let's get the camera over here and get this windshield off. Now with these new windshields on the Road Glide, you got two screws on each side, and you do have these little clips right here that hold the windshield. And we're going to get these screws out. Now from here, you just push up on the windshield like this, and it comes out of those slots. Take your new windshield, put it right back in place, make sure it falls into those slots. And I have the Advanblack Axion screws, so we're going to replace it with those instead of the OEM ones. Go ahead and repeat that process on the other side of the bike, of course, and that's going to complete your CFR carbon fiber windshield from Advanblack. But in this video, you can at least see what it looks like on the bike. If you're thinking about getting a full carbon fiber front windshield, this is definitely one to check out. If you want to get your hands on one of these, I'll put a link down in the description down below. It'll take you straight over to Advanblack's website. We got a ton of carbon fiber stuff over there on the website now, especially for these newer models. So please go over and check that out if you're interested. If you have any questions on this, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try to help you the best that I can, or give me a call over on the Advanblack line and just ask for installation support when you get the assistant. I'm gonna get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.